afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English Objective Past Question, question number 60. And the instruction here says choose the word or group of words that best complete each of the following sentences. And to question number 60, the sentence here says, I realized that I dashed you before. I realized that I dashed you before. A. Had met. B. Met. C. Have not. D. Meet. You see, the subject here is pronoun, which is I, and then the word realized is a verb, and the condition of this verb is in its past form. Past form. So that I dash. Then although so D and C are out of content or debate. So we don't even need to debate about C and D. Then I realized that I met you before. Now there is a need for auxiliary verb in this expression. Auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb in this expression. So there's a need for auxiliary verb. That is why this one cannot go. So I realized that I had met you before, or I realized that we had met before. So this verb is very important in this type of expression. So one can say that I realized that I had met you before. So option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.